Alright, so there is a new feature in Perplexity AI that I think is really awesome, but not many people actually using it, and frankly, that's because this feature is still very new. So you can navigate to perplexity.ai and then log in with your account, and then you can hover the cursor above the Spaces menu right here, and then click Templates. So this is a new feature, and basically you can see some templates that were created or curated by people behind Perplexity, and you can use it to easily get answer from AI. So there is a template for finding, profile builder, finding some answer about crypto or investor or something like that. So you can just look around, you can see a lot of these templates that you could use for your work. And for this example, I'll try to use this profile builder. So you can search any person or any company before you, do any business with them. And in this case, I want to try to do research for this product. Let's try some products from Kickstarter because they usually are very new. And let's try this one. So there is this product called AsapGuide Laser. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm going to copy the name of the product. And let's paste that to Perplexity Profile Builder. And here you can enable the regular search, the deep research, and also the labs mode. But I think the regular search is more than enough. And of course, you can select the model. And in this case, I personally prefer Cloud for Osonet, but feel free to use a different model. And after that, just send the message. And Perplexity will use your input, which is this name of the product, and then also the instruction or prompt that is used in the template. And by the way, later I'll show you how you can get the prompt from this instruction. Okay, so this is the answer. And yeah, it is giving some details about the product, maybe some companies, okay, there is no leadership info. So the company is still very new. But if you're using, just regular search on Perplexity without using this template, you probably won't see any answer that is mentioning about leadership. So this is only possible because the prompt actually asking AI to do a thorough research about the company or the people behind it. And in this case, since the company is still very new, there is almost no info about it. So I think it's very useful to make you more aware about any person or any company from the internet. So that is how you can use the template in Perplexity. Now let me show you how you can actually duplicate this and basically turn this template into your Perplexity space. So let's go back to this profile builder. And you can click this button to copy it as a space on your Perplexity account. Okay, space is ready to customize, and there you go. So this is now your own space. It's not going to be shared with anyone. And if you want to modify anything, just click this context button, and you'll see that this is the custom instruction that is used in that template. And as you can see, it's actually quite thorough, and that's why the answer is very different if you're just using a basic prompt or basic keyword. And also you can use, you can add some files or links that you want AI to reference when searching or answering your query. But yeah, that's basically how you can use the new templates feature and how to duplicate it to your Perplexity Space account. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.